Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury with Dani. I am going to show you a few pieces here from Prada from the second look that I've had anyway of fall. So this is the first one. It is a kind of oversized baggy dress. So I'll give it a try. We'll take a look at it together. I will share with you what I know about pricing and sizing. As you know, as I have said and complained about many times, Prada is not very good about putting the prices on here. So this is a size 40, no clue what the price is. Makes it hard to decide, right, what it is you're going to pick up. So that's one piece. Another one is another dress. I will show this one to you. And it would be more, well, you know, they said it's a dress, but it looks kind of like a long sweater, maybe with leggings or jeans or jeggings. I don't know. Is that even still a thing? Size 38. Again, no clue on the price. So not really sure about that one. And then the other piece, here's the belt for it. The other piece is really similar to that one. It's a short sleeve gray dress. This one's much longer with sleeves instead. This is a size 44. So this is going to be really, really big. Probably it's the only size that they had in stock, and that's why she sent it, because trying this on is going to look ginormous, but kind of matches here. So I'll give these a try and we'll take a look together. All right, so this is the first piece. It's actually the gray dress. I think it is actually going down just to here. So just a little bit above my knee, a couple of inches above. So it looks like in the back. Not impressed with the fit. So it's just weird. I mean, let's deconstruct it together. So this is a 44 and the body of the dress fits fine. I don't really have any issue with that. This belt looks like it goes to a size like 36. I don't know. I can't even really tell. It's so small for the dress that it doesn't fit in the loops, which is really strange. So yeah, you can't really buckle it. And that's even pulling things like tight. So without it, it's actually much cuter, but I know it's designed to be with it. So anyway, this is what it looks like. You can decide for yourself if it's something for you. Again, reminder, this is a 44. It looks really big in the back, by the way. One thing this piece has going for it is the feel of the fabric is superb. Feels really nice. Very soft, very lightweight. For those of you that don't like heavy stuff even in the winter, this may be a good one for you. So anyway, I will try on the burgundy version and see if we have a little bit better look. All right, here's the other one. This is a size 38. That one was a 44, by the way. Huge difference. So that would be, let's see, about 12 centimeters difference in the width, the length, everything. So it's a lot. So here is the more tank-like dress. In terms of its length, it's hard to show, but it's, yeah, you can kind of see it in the mirror here. So it's coming up to maybe 4 inches above my knee. I would probably wear this more as a vest than I would, but same issue with the belt. So remember I was saying that you can't really like get the belt to close. So this is up on my upper waist, okay? Which, I mean, clearly the garment fits fine. The sizing's not an issue. But check this out. Like, even if I pull it as far as it can go, I can't get it into even one loop. So something is weird with the belts. I'm not really sure what's going on. I'd have to ask my sales advisor. I have no idea on the price, again. Same thing with regard to the fabric, though. It feels very nice. Here's what it looks like in the back. Personally, I really like the pockets here. I think it looks pretty cute. It is pretty short and a little bit tight around the knee area, but it is on the shorter side for sure. So if you're not wanting that for fall, or you are, you know, opposed to leggings where you're much taller than me, I'm only 5'4", then this might not be a good piece for you. So just think about or consider those variables. And now I will try on the last dress. All right, so here's the other dress that I was showing you right in between on the sizes. This is a 40, nice pockets in the front. It looks like kind of a 90s vest style. I remember like putting these with jeans. It was so much fun. And you had like your little scrunchy clips in the back. Totally dating myself here, but that's what the back looks like actually. I'll just get up close, you can see it, right? So it kind of looks that way. Yeah, so the rest of the dress, it's okay. It wouldn't be in my top selections, mostly because it's too tight under the arms. The rest of the body fits great, but any of us who are smaller body, bigger chested, a lot of these things, you know, maybe it doesn't bother you as much, but it bothers me here if it's really tight. So it's not really tight, but it's just a little too. But I like how it looks in the back. Nice tie here. Really nice pockets in the front. So definitely getting closer with Prada, but not quite there yet. So just my thoughts on these pieces. Look forward to your feedback and comments as always. Make it a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Thanks for watching.